Hello guys, Dunte here. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to one and all. Today we're going to be opening a Big and Collectibles monthly subscription crate December 2019. I don't know what this has, but let's get started. Okay. So we got a Big and Collectibles mystery pack. That's cool. As you can see, I have the Dragon Balls in the background. We got a Chaos Impact right here. Nice. And then we got a few packs right here as well. So I got this on specials when they were selling them for the whole year. It's pretty cool. And let's see. We got Mystic Fighters. And with some speed duels. Cool. That's real nice. I want to start with the mystery pack. Let's see what this has inside. And please subscribe if you're new. I upload every Tuesday, but today in this case, because it's Christmas, why not upload today? Oh, cool! We got a 2019 Gold Sarcophagus Mega Pack. Awesome, we opened this in the past two videos. I'll link them down in the description below. Check them out. Awesome. And then what is this? What's this? Performa Pal Karibo Hobo. That's cool. Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh, clear Karibo, detonate Karibo. Did we just get a whole Karibo set? Then we got Wing Karibo level 10, Curry Bandit, Junk Karibo, Multiply, Curry Bond, Transcendent Wings, Sphere Karibo, Rainbow Karibo, Curryborn, 1-for-1, Wing Karibo level 9, big boy! Karibo token, Wing Karibo, ultra rare, super rare Curry Photon, Karibo, the OG, Karibo, Link Karibo, Berserker Crush, Angry Karibo, Relink Karibo. We got a Saboteur, the Philosopher's Stone. Awesome, guys. That's so cool. That was pretty neat. Now let's do the 2019 Gold Sarcophagus. Yeah, there we go. Almost forgot these names for a second. Trying to say them. Kind of difficult. Oh, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this one. If I remember. So we got Ballista Squad. Min-Roll Barrel Dragon. Super Team Buddy Force Center. Unite, Avenger Daybreak. Helix. Link Turrets. Keep going. Let's keep going. Because I know I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to go a little bit faster. Oh, shoot! Sky Strikers. Great Fly. Oh, Danger Chupacabra. Awesome. Get all the dangers in this. Nightmare Corrupt Bell. Wee Witch Apprentice. And then the rest. Yeah, there you go. They're commons. But rare, if you guys haven't and then ultra rare, the one with gold letters. That's what it is. And then we got Danger Chupacabra. This is a secret rare. In the background you can see it. Or it might be parallel rare. I don't know. No. Yeah, it's secret rare. Danger Chupacabra. And then Great Fly. Super rare. That's cool. I'm gonna leave the Chupacabra on top. Looks so cool. Look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. I love it when they shine like that. So cool. Alright, guys. And let's open this one next. The packs will be easier. Okay. Let's keep it up. Why is it so blurry? Focus. There we go. Oh no, my Dragon Ball. It's going away. Then we get 3 packs of Chaos Impacts in that little booster. And then the little booster box, special edition. I got 2 promos. Battle Shogun of the 6 Samurai and Army Call. Awesome. Alright. First pack of Chaos Impacts. Gonna try to go through them a little bit quicker. Don't want this video to be no longer than 15 minutes. Okay. There might be an airplane passing by right now, so say Netter. Ooh, watch train. That's a cool card. Ooh, okay. Cool, cool. Roma, Seraphi, Sweet Marjoram, and Overburst Dragon. Cool. Next one up. Alright, let's do this. So we got Avatar Mega. Oh, that's right. Don't read them. Just go. Evil Eye. Spiritual. And then the rest are just commons. That's cool. Oh, is there another airplane coming by? Open this one quick before the other one comes by. But yeah, hopefully you guys had a good happy holidays, like a good Christmas if you're having one right now. Cool, or whatever it is you celebrate. Hope you enjoyed, and please let me know in the comment section below what you got. I would really like to hear it. Please subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button and or notification bell. Ooh, Striker Dragon, ultra rare. Cool. That's cool. Look at that shine. And a Gladiator Piece Charge. Here comes the other airplane. Yeah, let me know, and I comment. I heart. So I'm always reading comments. So just let me know. But yeah, please share this video as well to people who like Yu-Gi-Oh and other card games like Pokemon. It would help a lot. Now let's do Mystic Fighters. Let's see what we got here. I'm still trying to figure out the lighting and everything, so I apologize if the lighting's kind of bad. Right now I'm just not in a good place because, oh wow, I did it wrong. Monster Gate. Oh wait, no, that's right. Heavy Slump. This one comes with all supers and stuff, and then all supers and one secret rare. So that's cool. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure it out, especially with these shiny cards. It's difficult. I don't want it to blind you guys, like. But luckily I got the circle light, so that helps. Secret rare. Okay, and then we're moving on to the next one. Let's get it. Just go for it. Just Dragon's Ravine, that's pretty cool. Needed one of those. Okay. The Breeze Dragon. Oh, tuners are coming back, guys. Tuners are coming back. That's a Dragon Tuner. I like that. I like that. This is so cool. I like this. I'm actually going to put that on the side. Appropriate and... Ooh, Mathmech Final Sigma. Cool. That's cool. Alright, we're going to do that. Do that right now. Okay. The Speed Duel one. That's interesting. Okay, there we go. So we got Dragon Maid Downtime. See all the maids. We got, oh, Tempest Dragon Ruler of Storms. So that's cool. Yeah. I need another dragon anyways. Alright, Rekindling. Ooh. We got Mathmech Subtraction. And a Nidhogg Generator Boss of Ice. That's nice. Let's shine. Alright. It's cool. And more airplanes. There's just so many airplanes passing by today. On Christmas. Oh, here it comes. Next we got the Dragon Main Changeover. Cool. Dragon Maids are pretty nice. Waking the Dragon. Jinzo. Sabnek Door. Wait, is that Jinzo? Shoot. That's cool. I'm gonna set that aside too. I have a friend who plays all traps to negate, and it'll be useful against him. Dragon Maid Nudiaral. Cool. My friend Blue Wolf would love this. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. And then one last pack for the Mystic Fighters. I actually wouldn't mind giving that to him if he wants to build a Dragon Maid deck. Little by little. The Breeze Dragon. Another Changeover. Waking the Dragon. Another Jinzo. And a Dragon Maid Lorpar. Nice. Oh, that's so cool. You can get all the dragons mates pretty much and all that. So cool. And then now we're gonna go on to the speed duels. Go on. I actually kind of don't mind the lighting as long as it doesn't go blurry on me. I want you guys to be able to see the cards and all that. But eventually, as I get better and equipment and all that, we'll do that. Ooh, double cyclone. Got change slime, metal armor bug, and flint. I really would like to get this guy, the new dark magician. That dark magician is not new, but yeah, that dark magician would be cool. If we could just get it right away from this little crate, that'd be so awesome. Let's try to get it. Let's try to get it. Believe, guys, believe. Ooh, ooh! Ah, it's a Jurax Spanos. I am building a dinosaur deck, so I'll check that out later. Next pack. These packs don't contain a lot of cards. Just a few of them. Okay. So we got Ancient Brain. Here's some really old school cards. Wetha, Warlion, and Assault on GHQ. Oh, that's cool. Let's put these together since they're all commons. My kitty's scratching the side. Help. Next one. Oh, it was upside down. Helping Robo for combat. Partition of Darkness. Maybe some old school cards. Chain Slime and Karyu Shin. Oh, so far nothing good. Not even a super or anything like that. Like, come on. Let's go. By the way, for these speed duels, it's different. It's like, you know, speed duel. It's within the name. That one, you could use these in the Yu-Gi-Oh! The regular dueling. Super War Lion, Jurax Spinos, and alright. That's it right there. I really want to get him. Can we get him? Can we? Believe. Let's see if we can get him in these small packs. Okay. Share the Pain. Black Patera. Iron Claw. Draw. Waking the Dragon. And that's it. Unfortunately, we couldn't, but there you go. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Alright, guys. Really do hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Dante. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care now. Have a happy holidays. Have a great Christmas or Hanukkah, Boxing Day. Enjoy yourselves. Peace. Much love. Take care. Bye-bye.